The Daily Code Snippet. It is important to understand what assistive technologies are helpful to navigate the web. An assistive technology is any hardware or software used to increase, maintain, or improve the capabilities of people with disabilities. Screen readers are used by the blind or those with low vision to read the content of a computer screen. Examples include JAWS for Windows and VoiceOver for Mac. Screen magnification software allows users to control the size of text or graphics. Distinct from a zoom feature, these allow users to see the enlarged text in relation to the rest of the screen by emulating a handheld magnifier. Text readers help those with learning disabilities. These read text with a synthetic voice, and some include the ability to highlight the text being read to emphasize it. These will ignore navigation and other elements, only the text is read. Speech input software allows those who are unable to type and control the computer physically to instead speak their intentions. An example would be Dragon Naturally Speaking software. Alternative input devices allow those who cannot use a keyboard or mouse to use a computer. Several types of devices fall under this category, including head pointers, motion or eye tracking, single switch entry. Head pointers consist of a stick or object that is mounted directly on a user's head that can be used to push keys on a keyboard. Motion or eye tracking software can detect a target or the eye of a user to interpret what action is desired and can translate this to placing the mouse pointer to where the user intends to move it. Single switch entry devices are commonly used with on-screen keyboards. The on-screen keyboard has a cursor move across the keys, and when the desired key is in focus, the switch is used to select it. Similarly, a cursor can move throughout a web page, and the single switch entry device can be used to click on a link on a web page. Just to show you some examples of some of this technology in action, let's look at Mac's VoiceOver and Zoom.
Chrome, the New York Times, breaking news, U.S. news, world news and videos, Google Chrome, Belgrade, Windows, the New York Times, breaking news, U.S. news, world news and videos. Web content. You are currently on a web content inside of a group. To enter the web area, press Ctrl, Option, Shift, down arrow. To exit this group, press Ctrl. Chrome has new window. The best olive oil in the world. This village thinks so. The New York Times. Web content. You are currently on a web content inside of a group. To enter the web area, press Ctrl, Option, Shift, down arrow. To exit this group, press Ctrl, Option, Shift, up arrow. Out of the best olive oil in the world. This village thinks. VoiceOver off.
Presented by Designers Learn Code.